guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Nadula here for sponsoring this video. Let's see what we have inside. We have nail, edge band. Oh, we got 3 wig caps. We have a bag to store the wig in, of course. Now this is the wig. It's a bob wig. That's how the lace looks. Like I said, it's a bob. And the most important thing about this wig we have here is the drawstring. Now, this is how you operate the drawstring. Once you pull it down, you latch it in. There is another part on top that you're going to pull down for it to be secure. So this is how you work the drawstring part. Absolutely love that. Not only that, but there is a comb at the back. And we do have a adjustable bag. So the wig, it's a one wig fit all head size. You'll be perfectly fine with the drawstring. You pull it out back and then you open the drawstring. And there we go. It's loosened. So we're going to install this wig. This is how the lace is. It is pre-bleached and pre-cut 7x5. It's also pre-cut. This is how the quality looks. Very amazing. And I think the hair texture is Yaki strict. So we are gonna go and install this wig. Let's go. Alright guys, I think I'm going to do a side part. So at first I started with seeing how the wig looked on my head. And it came as a middle part, which I love. But I think we're going to go for a side part. I think I'm going to recreate it and go for a side part. Now if you purchase this wig, you can do the middle part because it's going to be super easy for you. Because it's already like that. And it's a Yaki texture. I believe it's 12 or 10 inches. That's what it looks like. And this wig is perfect for the summertime, the current season and the summertime. So I am going to go in first with my hot comb. We're going to create the side part because it's a 7x5 lace, so we have enough space to do all of that. Or should I leave it as a middle part? I kind of like the middle. Then I could curl the middle, or should I show a little bit more versatility of the wig? Because a lot of people would do the middle part, don't they? Alright, let's see. Let's plug in the hot comb first. That is it. Guys, look at this. It is glueless. I decided that we're going to work with a center part. No, all I did was I made the part a little deeper, but look at this. Yeah, this is so easy. All I need to do is go in with the flat iron and just straighten the hair. I like it like this, and we're gonna leave it glueless. Now I'm gonna use a hot comb again because all I did was to press down this area because we wanted it to have a wider look. This hair texture doesn't need anything, you know, and you can go up to 400, 425 degrees with using a flat iron or a hot comb like I have right here, but this is the perfect wig. I really like it. It's very much glueless, yes, and we're gonna go at the back and do the drawstring because I didn't do that as yet. So the wig is already snug. This is the drawstring right here, and we are gonna pull it. And then this right here, you put it down for extra security, and then this, you take it and you put it on, and there we go. Oh. Guys, I did my makeup, so now the wig is more, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go in first and we're gonna use a flat iron and we're gonna straighten the wig. Very easy. It is glueless. Yes, it is. You see that? It's very much glueless. So we're gonna start from around the back. Like I said, it is perfect for the spring summer season that is coming up, so you guys are gonna definitely love this wig. And it's so easy because it's a yaki texture. It's so easy to flat iron. I love the quality of Nadula's here as well. The wig is not too thick, it's not too thin, so it's going to be super easy to manage. Look at that. Also, when you do buy a wig with a drawstring, it means it fits all head size. So once you put the wig on, you draw the string to fit your head size. So if you have a 21 head, 22, 23, it's gonna fit. So always remember that. Now this flat iron is at 455 and it's taking the hair. So you know what that means. I am not even gonna cut the wig. Look at that. I like it. I like it. I like it. We're gonna go in. Because of the texture, like I said, the yaki texture of the hair and how the wig was designed, it is so easy, beginner friendly. You can do it. It's glueless, which means you don't need to go nowhere for them to install the wig. So look at the difference between just using the flat iron to this side. There's not much difference. That's what I want to show, but we're gonna go in with the other side, and then I think I'm gonna add some curl to this wig, but I do like it like this. Yeah, normally when I do have a bob, I cut some of it. This is perfect because it's also lightweight, so everything falls. Look at that. We don't need to cut it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this part, and then we're gonna do another hairstyle.
Ride with her, hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household.
Girl, this wig, you like it staying in the house. It's nice. Oh, energy. Yes, it is. Let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we Alright guys, so I show you guys this part, right? Now, I want to tell you guys that the company do offer a 15% off on this specific bob because it's perfect for the current season and upcoming summer. And when I tell you the wig is lightweight, I absolutely love it. I'm even thinking about should I curl it, but I want to show you guys how versatile the wig is, so I'm going to definitely go in and I'm going to use a flat iron to curl it. I love a yaki texture and it's going to be perfect. So just to let you guys know, there's also a 15% off on this specific wig. We're just going to go in and add some simple curls.
Yeah, girl, I know you want her. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunana ni. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna, girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. But they too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunana.
We curl the wig and stunning is the word. Absolutely love how versatile this wig is. OMG. Nadula here, you did your thing, okay? Now, I love this. It's like you can make it two wigs. So you can wear it straight, you can put some curls in, and I use the same flat iron to make the curls, which means it is super simple to turn it back into a straight bob. Absolutely love it. I love how the curls come out. Now, like I said, you guys can save 15% off on this bob wig, and they have their 8th anniversary celebration coming up, so that's extra saving. Make sure you guys check the link in the description. Nadula did their thing on this bob, and it is glueless. I said it. It's very glueless. Look, because of the drawstring at the back, it makes the hair very functional, glueless, and it's a 7x5 closure wig, which looks like a frontal. You cannot see the lace. It is perfect. Summer is coming up. This is a good wig to even wear on vacation, because today you can wear it straight and then the next day you can put some curls in. It's a perfect wig as well for going to work. It's very seasonal, so absolutely love it. It is perfect. Installation was so easy, so make sure you guys check the description, click the link. And Nadula, thanks again for sending this beautiful wig and sponsoring this video. Perfect. And I know you guys like it too, okay? It's giving professional Chrissy. What do you say? Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to check the description. There is an extra 15% off because it's their 8th anniversary, and the link to their website and the direct hair that I'm wearing is there. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's do a little cuteness.
She wanna run me down.
Right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, even know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate, I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your want somebody to come bring you flowers. Someone to talk to for hours. Wash your back while y'all sit in the shower.